Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode brought to you by Danny Lad UK. And in this episode we are going to talk about Coto Movies. Coto Movies is a new app which is the base design of, if you all can remember, Bobby Movie. Bobby Movie just disappeared and now we've come back with the same creators and they created Coto Movies. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to navigate your way around it, and then I'm going to show you how to install it. So bear with me, I'll be back straight after this. Hi guys, welcome back. Right, so first of all, you're going to come to the home screen menu where we are going to, for instance, let's just choose a movie. Right, so new cinema movie, Wreck-It Ralph. Let's click on the top. It's basically the same layout as Bobby Movie was. Bobby Movie was this layout where you just scroll down, find your play button, which is just there. Click on that and then click play. And what it'll do now, it's going to find you so many links, so many different quality links, and what you're going to do, you're going to find the best one and we're just going to play it from there. It's a really good app, really reliable, and if the sources aren't there, it won't show any. So if there's any cam copies and not very good copies that they're going to put on, this program probably won't show them. So what we'll do, we'll just click on the top one, and there we go. We've now got that film playing. 720. 720 is good enough for a film that's still at the cinemas. So we'll just back out of there. This is ad-free, by the way. There is no ads on this. So if we go back to the home menu, we'll drop down to TV shows. Right, so we're on TV shows now. We will try... let's just try and find something that we all know. The movies in this, guys, is endless. There's so many things, so many different seasons of everything. So I don't think you're going to struggle with anything to find. So let's click on that top link. And there we go. It's straight on 720, which is a good stream. So if we all back out, and what we'll do now, guys, we're going to show you how to install it. Right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to make our way onto the home screen. We're going to use our remote and we're going to make our way over to where it says settings at the top. So we're going to go down, across to My Fire TV. We're going to click on the developers options and make sure that these are both enabled. So we've got ADD bugging on, apps from the unknown sources on. And once that's done, we are going to go back to the home screen. We're going to go find our little search icon in the top left. And we are going to search for downloader. And there it is at the bottom there. So we'll click on that. Click on downloader. And you need to install that. So once that's installed, guys, you will be brought over to this menu here. And what we are going to search for in there is file linked .com. And we're going to click the go button. So once you've been brought over to this home screen of the file linked page, you're going to go down to where it says download file linked. So we will click on that and we will install it from there. So once this is on, we're going to open it up and the code is 50853985. I will put that link in the description for you guys. And this will take you over to my market. So in this market, I have put endless of APKs. All the things are up to date. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go scroll down to Coto Movies. You'll click the download button. And then you're just going to press the play button. So what this is going to do now, it's going to install Coto Movies from the source straight onto the Fire Stick. So now that's installed, guys, just open it up. If you have the new 4K stick, you will get this message quite a lot, and all you're going to do now is you're just going to allow. And that's it, guys. You have Coto Movies installed. In there, you're going to have your search, your genres. You can download if you like, but make sure you do clean it to delete that, otherwise you're going to take up quite a lot of memory on this. So go back to your home menu, and there you go. Everything you need in one place. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, drop a comment down below, and I will catch you in the next one.